Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening, but with a twist. We'll be exploring how to design your very own medicinal garden using the incredible garden kit. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the garden kit? Well, let me tell you. This amazing product is a comprehensive set that includes everything you need to start your own medicinal garden right at home. From seeds and soil to planting tools and instructional guides, the garden kit has it all. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike who want to grow their own medicinal herbs and plants. So, let's get started on designing our medicinal garden using the garden kit. The first step is to choose a suitable location with plenty of sunlight and good drainage. Once you've selected your location, it's time to plan out your garden design. Consider factors like the size of your space, the types of plants you want to grow, and how much maintenance you're willing to put in. Now comes the fun part, planting. With the garden kit, you have access to a wide variety of medicinal plant seeds, from calming chamomile to soothing lavender and healing aloe vera. Each plant in your garden serves a specific purpose, whether it's for relaxation, healing, or overall well-being. And with the garden kit's detailed instructions, you'll know exactly how to care for each one. And there you have it, your very own medicinal garden designed with the help of the garden kit. Not only is it a beautiful addition to your home, but it also provides you with natural remedies right at your fingertips. Thank you all for joining me today. If you're interested in creating your own medicinal garden, be sure to check out the garden kit, the ultimate tool for gardeners everywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!